Hey, today I will show you how can you create Elementor Form for free. First of all, you have to install a plugin. The plugin name is Pro Elements. If you don't have the Pro Elements plugin, you can check video description, have a download link. And I was show on my previous video how can you connect the plugin. Okay, let's start creating the form. First of all, you have to go all pages. Then you have to open any pages. Now I am open my home page, edit with Elementor, and now we have to go this page. Okay, our Elementor loading is complete. Now we have to take a container. For add new container, then we have to click plus icon, and we have to click plus icon, click flex box, and click first container. And now we will change the background color, then it will be looks nice. Here we have here we can change the background color, and I am changing the background color. Now I will make smaller the container width, and click dot icon and click layout. Then here we can control container width. Okay, now we have to click on plus icon. Now we have to take the form module. If I search from module, then we can take from module. If I click on container dot icon, then we can set container width. If I set the 20 pixel container width, then it will be looks nice. Then it will be looks nice. And now if I publish the page, and if I check on view page, then we can see our form is created. Okay, if I scroll down, then we can see our form is created. Wow, our form is created, and here our label color is not good. If I want to change label color, then we have to click on pen icon, then style, and here if I click here, then I can change the label color. And now if I publish, now if I check, then we can see our label color is changed. Now looks nice, our label color is changed. And if we want to create any multi-step form, then we have to go here, and now we have to add item, and we have to click here, and we have to select the step. This is the step, and if I want to next step any field, then we have to click add item, and here we can add any new field. If I keep the field and type name here, name, first field is name, and if I click add item, and if I take email field and type here email, and if I take any new field and click here, and if I take the text area field, and if I type here message, and now if I publish the page, now if I check the form, then we can see our form is multi-step, the two step. And if you want to add any other step, then you can add. If I fill up the form, and I am fill up the form and click the next button, and here if I add name, and if you add any email, and if you type here message and click the send button, then you can see the form is submission successfully. In this way you can create Elementor form or Elementor multi-step form. If you benefited from my video, please like and subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much.